Hello, welcome to Mama Likes. Today's video is going to be about my best Amazon buys. So these products are going to range from things that make me organize my life better at home, at work, when I'm traveling. And some of them are actually more for just me, my me time, where I can relax, just chill. So let's get started. I'm Tanvi, a mom of a 2-year-old, and I love to constantly search, review, try, and share products that I love, and share those products that will make your life easier, your mom life easier. So the first product that I'm going to show you all is, for me, for my me time, my Bose headphones. So I don't even know how to, what do I need to say? It's Bose, it's noise cancellation, it's wireless. They have helped me for all my long, drives for my meetings, my evening runs, and the best part is, the most important part, where, in the evenings or on weekends especially, I just go to my room, close my door, wear them, and just lie down and listen to my favorite music. I think every mother needs these. They're noise cancellation and wireless. You don't need anything else. The next one, the toy organizer basket. So this again, not at all fancy, very good quality. I literally use this only for toys and nothing else. What I love about this is that, it's been 2 years that I've been using it. It has not given me any problem in terms of breaking, no matter how heavy the toy is or anything that I can just dump in. It's been amazing. It's never given me a problem. Another thing is, it helps a lot when, I have kids have these small toys which don't necessarily have a box or go with something or the other. So you just take those, especially the single ones, and then just, dump them in. In fact, I use this a lot with Thea. Once she's done with her, playing or whatever, she's done playing with her toys, she just I tell her that, you need to clean your stuff up, you need to clear up the room, and luckily till now she listens to me. So just pick it up, she dumps it in, and all I have to do is just, pick it up and put it inside, and I'm sorted. So the next one is this organizer, which is essentially, when you're traveling or even like on an everyday basis. So I actually got it for myself, but my husband ends up using it way more than I do because one, obviously they have way more gadgets, or rather he has more gadgets than me. And with gadgets obviously come more wires and 10 other things. So again, we've been using this for probably the last 2.5 years. Easily washable, extremely light to carry in your backpack, in your handbag, whatever it is. And what I like best about it is that, so it has these, I don't know if you can see, it has these elastics, right? So you can literally put all your wires here, separate them. So you don't have to always, open your bag and search for all those 100 wires, or even some people end up putting it, say, in a Ziploc pouch or something. But at the same time, they get tangled or something or the other. So half the time you're detangling the wires. So you just, it's important that, you wrap it up nicely and put it back. That is something you'll need to do, but I think it's worth it because when you need it immediately or urgently, open it, just, sort of remove your charger or remove whatever it is you want. It also has this small space for, your USBs and probably some important cards that you want to put here or here. It depends, however you want to use it. I also put my big laptop charger in this. And actually whatever I want, just pens, whatever, pencils, etc. that I want to put when I'm, traveling or for my meetings and stuff. It's amazing. It's really a good organizer at the end of the day. So the next one is a little expensive, okay? It's my Google Home. The only thing that listens to me right now. I have to admit, I don't get easily excited by technology, but my friends, kept raving about it, and they were like, you have to get it, you have to get it, you have to try it. And I did. I bought it because anything that, makes my life easier, I am game for it. Now, there are some things that I am a little bad at, like remembering recipes, remembering my grocery list. Oh my God, yes, I'm really, really bad at that. Especially, if it's not there as a part of my Amazon, list, which I end up buying my groceries, most of them from there. But me being me, I always end up forgetting something. And luckily, I am in India and in Bombay, where I have access to, shops close by. So whenever, say, I want to quickly buy something, I'll keep calling my grocery guy like probably 5 times a day. Bhaiya, ye bhejo, bhaiya, wo bhejo. I think I need to stop that. And I genuinely felt I needed to stop that and get more organized in life. And this has helped me in these two very, very basic aspects. Remembering recipes, because I don't cook that often. So when I do, it helps me, and my grocery list. Another thing that, it really helps me in, okay, it's not very technical like other people talk about, but I wake my daughter up every day to music. I love music, she loves music, we both love to dance. And it's become like a routine, if she comes back from school or, when she wakes up in the evening also for that matter, after her afternoon nap and all, I'll be like, okay, Google, play this song. And then we'll both be dancing. And then, she's gotten so used to it that even she, tries to say, okay, doodle. She calls it doodle. So obviously, Google is still trying to understand her language. It'll take some time, but it'll get there, more than my daughter getting there. But yeah, I mean, it works for me in these small ways. Yeah, I mean, not the hardcore typical ways. The other ones, my husband uses it for that. And another one is days that I'm tired, which is every day in the evening after I'm done with my work, taking her to the park, playing with her, running around with her, come back home. And you don't want to move, yeah. You literally don't want to do anything, and you just be like, okay, Google, switch on the AC. Okay, Google, switch on the lights. And it's like, my personal butler. I love that. The next one. These are the IKEA chopping boards. Yes, it's IKEA, but I bought it off Amazon. What I love about them is the colors. That's not the primary reason I bought them. But after you're done with the chopping, all you have to do is just fold it and add it, to the pan. You don't need to, there is very little chance of it spilling over anywhere else. It's just easy, yeah, just easy. Nothing else. The next one is the Squatty Potty. Yes, the Squatty Potty. I'm actually talking about it because it is a great product to use. I think everyone should buy it, especially, considering today no one has Indian toilets in their house, including Indian homes, especially in metros, for whatever reasons, interiors, design, etc., etc. And a lot of people are not comfortable. Everyone in the house is not going to be comfortable using an Indian toilet. Even when guests come to your house, people are not used to it. It's, they will not be able to use it. So I think this is a great option to use because it does the job really, really well. I mean, there's nothing better than a design of an Indian toilet that you can sort of, use for the modern Western toilet, if you want to call it. Then I have this. The Polaroid camera. This one is by Fujifilm. You can get whichever one you want. You get them at different price points. I got the Fujifilm one. What I love about it is that, it's old school, yeah. Everything is digital, everything is, all digital camera, everyone taking it on the phone. And there are so many pictures on the phone that, because it's instant, you don't really have to worry about taking a print and putting it in an album, etc. Yeah, I mean, I get the whole digital thing. But at the end of the day, I think anything that you can see physically, I love putting pictures on my fridge along with other fridge magnets. I travel a lot, so I think it gives a better, I don't know, I think I'm a little old school on that front, and yeah, I just got it for that reason and I love it. I enjoy it. Then the next one is my security camera at home. I've installed them in all the rooms. I'm a working mother and I have a toddler at home. So I think anyone who has a child, especially in today's world, yeah, be it a stay-at-home mom, because even a stay-at-home mom is going to step out for some time for some errand or the other, and she's not always going to be at home, right? Especially the ones who have nannies and stuff. I mean, yeah, I trust my nanny completely, but I think it's also very important to be safe. So my current security camera, what I love about it is that it works on Wi-Fi. All it needs is good Wi-Fi speed. And it lets me watch the entire live footage on my phone. So it works brilliantly because I'm, constantly working. I'm out for meetings or an office or whatever it is, or for shoots for that matter. So I feel sort of like, at peace when I know that yes, I can watch my child 24/7. Now this is a label maker. So all you have to do is, why do I need a label maker? I'll tell you that first. So I use it a lot for my financial files where you don't need to always constantly open the file to see what's in it. So it helps me in that. It helps me, so all my food jars in my kitchen, I can only see the top of the lid because it's in a drawer. So I just label them so I can just quickly, remove the jar and use whichever lentil or grain or whatever it is that I want. I also use it in my office. So we have a lot of products in our office which we sort of organize in different boxes as per what the product category is. And then, instead of having to always open the product, and we get them in cartons and stuff, so just quickly label it and you're sorted. It's a great organizer, honestly speaking. Then this one is the Kindle. I stay in a rented apartment, okay? So it's very difficult, especially in a place like Bombay, to get space. So it has been a great savior for me from in that aspect. And yes, it saves paper more than anything else. I love reading. In fact, I've also added a few books that I can recommend that you can buy as a paperback option for the Kindle. I've read some great books. I mean, yeah, before this also I read great books, but yeah, just as suggestions, I've added some links for the books as well. Then the next one is my Swiss military organizer. I use this a lot when I'm traveling, especially when I'm going for over a week, because again, it has these great compartments where you put your toiletries, you put your toothbrush, shampoo. So yes, one more thing is what I try to do is, especially if it's not that long a travel, hang on. So I have this habit of carrying these small shampoo, conditioners and creams and stuff, so that you don't have to take the entire bottle. Your medicines, your makeup, your different creams, your night cream, this cream, that cream. Yeah, I mean, I'm a chick, so I'm going to need all of that. I'm not going to just give it up for 2 weeks. I can't live without them. So yeah, I mean, this helps me a lot, especially when I'm traveling. I think everyone should buy a travel organizer. It's just easier to find stuff, especially when you don't have a dedicated room, bathroom, whatever it is to yourself, and you have to live off the suitcase. So yeah, I think just buy one of these. Now the next one is expensive, I will say that, but it has been a savior for me at work. It's the Nespresso machine. You get different options for this. I mean, you get the smaller versions which belong to different brands and are cheaper. So I've given links for both, so the Nespresso as well as the cheaper options. This one, however, I mean, I love it. It's instant coffee at the press of a button. You can froth, you get a frother along with it. You can get, you can make your hot coffee, your iced coffee, your Americano, a cappuccino, whatever you want, at perfect temperature at the press of a button. I stay in Bombay, so I mean, and closer to the sea, very, very close to the sea. So I think everyone's heard about the Bombay rains. They can go really, really crazy. The moisture levels go up very high every monsoon. So I use this Absorbia, which basically captures the moisture in my cupboards, in my rooms. I mean, no one wants those black walls and black ceilings and constantly having to clean them. This, I mean, all you have to do is just rip this foil up, close the lid again, and you have these balls over here. They automatically convert, they become water as they start absorbing the moisture. And once you can only see water, you just buy another box. It's very cheap, it's not expensive, and I think everyone should invest in this, especially for people who have a lot of moisture in their city where the humidity levels are very high, because it can get a little dangerous, especially when you have kids in the house and you have those molds coming up because of moisture. Not worth it. I think everyone should invest in these. Now the next one is the Amazon Fire Stick. I'm going to be honest, okay? I'm addicted to it. It's addictive. And Hindi में क्या बोलते हैं? Yeah, मैंने मतलब वसूली, complete वसूली, and it's totally worth it. I am someone who loves binge watching. I don't recommend it for everyone. I mean, it's not a great habit, but at the end of the day, I need it. I need my TV, I need my serials, I need my movies. And I think I'll make a separate video just on the kind of content I've watched on the Fire Stick. It's endless number of movies, endless number of shows, one after another. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. That's all I can say. I am addicted to it. The last one, very simple, very cheap, but oh god, it really helps me keep my fridge clean. They're my fridge mats. They help me keep my fridge clean, so I don't have to constantly remove the entire glass slab and wash it. All I have to do is just remove the mat, quickly wash it, dry it up and put it back inside. And just remember one thing, guys, when you're buying the fridge mats off Amazon, remember to take the measurements of the glass slabs of your fridge, so that they fit properly. The mats that you get are neither too big or too small, because if they're too small also, they don't serve the purpose. You know, your glass slabs are going to get dirty. So just remember to measure your glass slabs. So that's it for today. I hope you like the products that I showed. If you all have something that you all, want to share with me, please do. I would love to have a look at it, be it on Amazon or anywhere else. I would love to read your comments, and give a thumbs up to the video if you like the products, the video, whatever it is. And I've put the links for all the products that I've shown in the video down in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.